Now we come to interrogative. Now, interrogative, you have another word which is interrogation. That means series of questions that police asks the culprits. So here it's not an interrogation. This is interrogative. That means questions. Interrogative pronouns. Now questions are made generally by WH words, which are question words basically. So let's see. Who teaches you English? So you're asking a question with the use of the word who. So we'd identify this as an interrogative pronoun. Now here we have whom. This is also related to people. Related to people. When you want to ask whom and what this work done, so you use the word whom, the object there. Then you have things like saying which pen do you like? No? Which pen do you like? What do you like? What do you like? So this is all related to things. What do you like? Then when you have a reason for doing this. So why? Why did you do this? So it would be related to reason. Then time. When did this happen? When did the accident happen? So when you want to relate to that, you use the pronoun when over here. But see, the sentence by that sense would have that sense. When did this accident happen? So we will identify that whole sentence as an interrogative pronoun. Now, which we've already done, and this would be the WH questions that you would use to make the interrogative pronoun sentences. Now, having done so many pronouns, now you have your personal pronouns, I, me, yourself, they, themselves, and reflexive, and all that you have done, indefinite, and all that which you have done, even interrogative that you've just done. Let's just see how much you have learned. We're doing this, I'm just writing a series of sentences, and let's see how much you have learned. Now, they're not just isolated to this interrogative, but to nearly all the pronouns that we have done. This is the house that he dash built. Ram and Sohan are best friends. They go for picnics together. Now, in this sentence, I'm asking you to complete this. He solved the problem. I want to pronoun here, a reflexive one, himself. This is the house. We have to take the gender from here. This is the house that you can have. This is not very gender specific. He or she would be either, right? Ram and Sohan are best friends. So whereas we identify the pronoun here, what is the pronoun here? They. So in this case, we are removing unnecessary words. We are not saying Ram and Sohan again, and we're using a pronoun there over there. So the old lady and her and daughter. So obviously with daughter, what will you write here? Her. And it was a boy, it would have written her son. Because she's an old lady, she's a feminine gender, so that's why her. It was old man, it would have been his. Now let's see. He defended reflexive himself. There is nothing above us, himself. So I've used the third form of the pronouns here, third person us there. Here you have himself, the second person, or myself as first person if you like to use it. Now, here what have we done just now is that I've tried to make you understand that these are the different kind of pronouns that you have used just now in the different sentences. We're trying to make you understand that the way the use is done and how we use put the pronoun in place of the noun, hoping that you have understood the pronoun exercise very well.